Hi guys! Welcome to Galbi's Kitchen. My name is Galbi and I introduce how to cook Korean food in a very easy way but still with a very authentic taste. Today I made 낙지볶음. It is octopus and we stir fry them with vegetables with spicy sauce. So let's get started. I defrosted the octopus. You can get it from Korean grocery store in the frozen seafood section. Let's open it up. We need to wash them really nicely. I'll show you how. Let's start with wash them twice in a cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of sea salt. These help to remove all the dirt from tentacles and suckers. Rub them like crazy. Rinse them with cold water at least 3 times until you see the clear water. It is important to remove intestine. Try not to pop it, otherwise it's gonna be a disaster with black ink all over. Cut off the intestine with scissors and throw it away. Lastly, give them a cold shower. Then drain the water. Let's move on to chopping the vegetables. Slice 50 grams of carrot just like this. And slice 100 grams of onion into strips. Then slice 70 grams of cabbage. Cut 2 green onions into 2 inches long. If it's thick, cut them into halves. Then chop spicy pepper. I'm using jalapeno. Let's make a sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of gochugaru or more. 1 tablespoon of gochujang. You can adjust the amount of your taste. Then 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. You can use white wine. Lastly, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and mix them well. Boil the water in a pot, then we will slightly boil the octopus. There we go. Count 20 seconds. We don't want to overcook it. Drain the hot water and rinse them with cold water. Once it's cooled down a bit, let's cut them into 2 inches long. Cut off the head or the body, whatever it is. Then slice them into bite size. Then cut the tentacles into 2 inches long. Actually, it's a lot easier with the scissors. We need to remove the mouth from right in the middle. Look. If you pull it gently, it's gonna come off. Cut the rest into bite size. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a preheated pan. And place the vegetables, onions, carrots, and the cabbages. Stir fry them over high heat. When onions start to become transparent, add the sauce. Then place the octopus and stir fry them. Cook it over high heat to shorten the cooking time. As I said earlier, if you overcook it, the octopus is gonna become rubbery. Add the green onions and jalapeno. Place them in a serving plate and it's ready. Alright, it's time to eat! Remember, when you boil the octopus, don't overcook it, otherwise it's gonna be rubbery. Gonna be so hard to chew it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this simple but delicious recipe. Don't forget to give me the thumb button down below and hit the bell to get notification for my next recipes. Alright, I see you guys next time. Bye!